Aigithia kuuma bũrũri wa Angola nĩ maiguithanirie na thirikari ya kaunti ya Narok gwaka gĩthĩnjĩro gĩa kĩrĩu kĩrĩa gĩgwakwo itũũra-inĩ rĩa Limanet mũgũnda-inĩ wa eka 90. Waki wa gĩthĩnjĩro gĩkĩ ũrĩa ũrahũrwo njeki nĩ bengi ya thĩ ũtanyĩtwo kũhũthĩra ciringi bilioni 2 na wona warĩkĩrĩrio wĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gũtura mĩeke ya mawĩra kũrĩ aikari a Narok na Kenya a ikĩro ngũrani. Mbũri na ng'ombe 40,000 nĩcio ciĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gũthĩnjagĩrwo gĩthĩnjĩro kĩu o hamwe na mahiũ marĩa marehagwo kuuma bũrũri tũrigainie wa Tanzania.
Know what it means for my people, particularly people from Narok. They want this project like yesterday. We have been talking about it for the last, 10 years. This is the right time now to be. For me, was Marcelo and yourself to come and see that we have already 90 acres, allocated for abattoir. That we can also use for a modern, feedlot. These are the kind of meat that they want, the natural meat, not the one that have been put all manner of medicine. I think the medicine that we see is what is causing cancer. We don't want that. We want something pure. So personally, I'm very happy, and I'm happy that you have come here. Now you have seen what we have. We need now to meet the World Bank before Friday. I think we're having a meeting. And then we just need to source money. Personally, I'm ready. The percentage that I was told by the World Bank to take part of the cost, I will take.
And so the community here is really supporting the project, and we are as pastoralists, as you've seen, there is a good supply. And so for what we just require is production and value addition.
I'm actually quite impressed of the number of animals that you guys have. So you really have what it takes, livestock wise. So as soon as now we can, governor can implement a modern abattoir, that will definitely facilitate all your intra-movement. You get your animal here, you treat it, you value add it properly here, and then you can proceed to export.